Leaking bathtub. You open this small Allen key, small screw with the Allen key. Yep. Once it's out, then you start pulling up. It might be a little bit stiff. Sometimes it takes a bit of time, or something you might need a screwdriver to just pull it out. It's out to just uncap the decorative uh, head. If you see, that's all broken. It's broken into bits. Yeah, I'm just using a nose plier to just take some all the bits out. There's still some bits, small bits left there, like I'm picking. I'm gonna flush it through with the water. I'm gonna open the main water just to flush it through. Just put my hand on the top, then it doesn't go all the way up. There's still bits there, like yeah, that's water being flushed through. Like all the bits come out now. I'm gonna put a new cartridge there. That's it. They got two small hole there, like you need to make sure they fit in there and it doesn't twist. Um, yeah, then you can start using the plate. That's the decorative plate, but it's got the nut underneath as well, like sometimes they join together, sometimes they're separate, like I'm gonna take the decorative clip off and then try to tighten this nut. That nut is gonna hold the cartridge. That's the old cartridge was broken. That's we're replacing this cartridge, like because the tap was leaking all the time. um, just make sure you don't tighten it too much, like otherwise it's gonna break the cartridge. It's a plastic cartridge. And once it's done, just check it, like open the main water and check it. It's stopping. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, just put the decorative cover back and just put the handle back as well, and in the reverse order. And just checking again, make sure it's all working. Yeah, put the handle back and just use the Allen key to put a small screw back. Just don't tighten too much, like so just and tighten it. Check on both sides, hot and cold. They're both working. And put a little plastic thing back. Thank you.